and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words came out from the depths of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by free ever-widening thought and action into the heaven of freedom. My Father, led my country away. Respected Chairman Sir, Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, Manager, teachers, and my patriotic Indians, I take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It seems surreal to believe that it has been 75 years since India broke the 200-year-long shackles of British rule. While today, what we now enjoy as independence, we certainly paid a heavy price for it. Today, we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to remember and honor the contribution made by millions of Indians that led to these days. As we are gathered here today to celebrate 75 years of being a free and independent nation, I cannot help but question if free is what we actually are. Every day that we continue to live, we still seek freedom as moments pass by. Freedom from poverty, freedom from discrimination, freedom from greed, freedom from corruption. But please let me ask each and every one of you present here, what is that we are failing at? What is that we lack even after 75 long years? We lack accountability. Accountability of every action that we do, which directly or indirectly affects this nation. For someone very wisely said, he who cannot be true to himself is the biggest poison to the world. We gained freedom on 15th of August 1947. But still after 75 years of development and empowerment, women of our nation are still caged in their houses. The nightlife remains the order and our country continues to be unsafe for those who have lived here, for those who have created our very existence. I could go on and on about the sheer misery they face. I could tell you how important it is to respect and protect her. How she could be someone's mother, someone's daughter, or someone's sister. But I won't. For she does not have to be someone's mother, daughter, or sister for any of us to respect. She is and will remain her own person. And if that's not enough of a reason to respect her, nothing ever will be. While we have a lot to improve and a whole lot to change, it still remains the truth that India definitely has made progress. Not completely there, but not too far behind. We are improving more and more each day. Many sectors of the nation are employing both men and women on the basis of their capabilities and not on the basis of their gender. Most of the parts of our country are free from the social stigma of untouchability. Love, in all its kinds, is being accepted by all communities. We are learning more and more each day. I feel honored and lucky to be born in this modern India. Now, our society is undergoing change, where we have a lot of things to improve. I can still say that I feel proud to be the head boy of this great institution, Ram Shanti Vidya Mandir, where we are taught lessons of righteousness and wisdom, where students get opportunities on the basis of their capabilities, where respect and tolerance are preached. At the end, I again wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day and take your leave. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.